Columbus woman had big plans to remodel her West Side home.
But as Jennifer Bullock tells us in tonight's Better Call 4, that woman now says that she made a costly mistake when she hired a local company to help her out.
Well,
Jen.
Brad and Darlene, Amy Thompson thought she had nothing to worry about when hiring a local plumber, but after 5 months, she's out several $100s and nothing to show for it. So she called Better Call 4 and I made some calls to get her answers. Thompson has lived in her hilltop home for a little over a year. During that time, she's made the usual repairs and upgrades, including some work in February for which she hired Right Way Plumbing, owned by Tim Fannin.
I paid him at the time of service, and I didn't have any issues with him.
So when Thompson wanted a full bathroom in her basement, she hired Fannin again. On July 31st, he wrote her an invoice for $1,900, an estimate for labor and materials, and Thompson paid him in full.
And ever since then, I've had nothing but issues.
What do you think would have changed between the first time that he came and you didn't have any problems at all versus the second time?
Absolutely the money.
Thompson says Fannin agreed to complete the job within 7 days, but a week came and went. Little work was done, and as time went on, she heard from him less and less.
When I text him, he's somewhat responsive, but it's mainly to give me whatever the excuse is for the week. His workers had problems, he didn't feel good, his back hurt, just, multiple issues every week.
Thompson says she's only seen Fannin a handful of times since this summer, but is to live with this mess in her home every day.
Because there was no plumbing down there, he had to dig like a trench into the floor so he could lay the pipes into the floor. They dug up all of the cement floor in the area and left big, huge pieces of cement and a huge dirt pile down there. I'm at my wit's end with it.
So I gave Fannin a call. When I asked him about Thompson, he said he does, quote, plan on finishing the job, adding that he only completes work 1 or 2 days a week because Thompson and her partner are working through the week and they want me coming past 5 o'clock in the evening, and I'm not doing that. As for the timeline, he tells me the job should be done by the first of the year, but for Thompson, it's long overdue.
I don't know that he will do it. I don't know exactly what the end game will be, but I definitely want him to stop taking people's money.
Now, I did a search of Right Way Plumbing, and the company does have an F rating with the Better Business Bureau. But remember, hiring a reliable and trustworthy plumber or contractor is one of the most important steps for your home project, no matter what it is. The BBB reminds you to do your research first, ask for references, and to never pay up front. Instead, arrange a payment schedule. Stagger those payments so your final one is not due until that work is complete and fully inspected as well. And